Hello, join me today for a 10-minute practice to get your body moving, to get your energy up from this beautiful place in the French mountains. We begin in a standing position. Take a moment to settle in, drop the weight into your feet, gently tuck your tailbone to help you relax your lower back, relax your neck and shoulders. Go ahead and take a nice deep breath in as you lift yourself up, expanding through the chest. Easy long exhale out. Inhale as you open the chest, fill up your lungs. Exhale to empty, especially the mind. Once more, breathe in and breathe out. From here, make your hands into loose fists. We're going to use them to tap in across the abdomen on the lower ribs in the center of the lower back. Keep yourself grounded through your feet and the lower body, generating the movement from the core and your legs. This gentle tapping helps to promote circulation through the area. This helps to activate our core energy, our vitality, also giving us natural boost of energy. Then go ahead and knock just below your navel. This helps to regulate and balance yin-yang energies in the body. Then go ahead and knock under the collarbone, targeting the lung meridian and our respiratory system. Keep the momentum, allow your shoulders to stay relaxed. Last couple of times. From here, open up your hands. We're going to tap the back of the shoulder and the rib cage area. Shifting the weight from side to side, engaging the lower body. Also gently lifting your heel off the ground, massaging the feet and the kidney 1 point. Pay attention to that light expansion across your chest area, creating some space in your shoulders. This is good for releasing tension from the neck and shoulders, promoting better circulation to the head. Begin to slow it down. Relax. Then go ahead and swing your arms side to side. Make sure you have a strong foundation, generating the movement from the ground up. Keep your core engaged to protect your lower back. Keep your tailbone tucked in. And allow your arms to naturally swing side to side. This is very good for regulating emotional well-being, especially if there is tightness in the chest, a lot of emotional stress. This helps to free up and regulate the energy flow through the chest area. Begin to slow down. Next, we're going to shift our attention to the knee. This is a fun exercise to do, testing our balance, coordination, as well as massaging pressure points around the knee joints. You can tap the top of the knee, the sides, even the back of the knee. This will get your energy up like nothing else. Make sure you're breathing well as you do this exercise. Last couple of times. And release. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Begin to feel the activation through your entire body. We're going to breathe in as we come up on our toes. Exhale, bend your knees and lower yourself down. Inhale, pushing off the ground. Exhale, sinking the weight. Bird leaving the nest. It's a beautiful, graceful movement to help us open the chest, the shoulders, as well as activate the lower body and the feet. Pay attention to your inhalations. Open your chest, fill up your lungs. Inhale. Exhale. And one more time together. Exhale, return into center. From here, keep the momentum. Raise one leg as you spread your wings. Exhale, return into center. Inhale on the other side. This movement is called white crane dancing. It's part of the 5-animal play Qigong, imitating the movement of 5 animals. If you're interested in this Qigong, you can check out my membership site to see the course in full details. Continue focusing on your breath. And one more time. Adjust your feet. Relax your entire body. Inhale, exhale. Allow the energy to flow, gently distributing through your entire body. Then go ahead and open your chest one more time. Breathe in. Exhale with a straight back, reaching towards the ground. Inhale as you gently raise up, open the front of the body. Exhale, grounding your energy, grounding yourself through your feet. We breathe in to open. Exhale as you bend forward. Inhale to raise up. Exhale to release. One more time. Inhale as you slowly come up. Look up to the sky. Exhale, relax. Relax your entire body. And then draw your hands to the lower abdomen to gather and concentrate within. Taking your time to focus on yourself, on the physical, tactile sensations. on your energy levels and your general sense of well-being. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope you enjoy this short routine from the mountains. Don't forget to click that subscribe button to support the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.